Hi everybody, my name's Grace, a Wellness Coordinator with Project Healthy Schools, and today we are at Holly Academy in Holly, Michigan, and we'll be making a healthy microwave potato chip and an apple lemon slushie. Let's go!
This is super simple. It's a snack for you guys to make for yourself that takes very little time and very little prep. It's super healthy. We're gonna do an apple lemon slushie today, which doesn't have any added sugar to it. And then the potato chips are kind of cool because they are in the microwave. So you're like 2 minutes on one side, you flip them over, 2 minutes on the other side.
Our favorite lesson was probably the sugar shock lesson. It was really fun to talk about and learn about.
My favorite thing we ate, we got from this, was the slushie because it was really good.
It was delicious.